In this video, I will show you how to set APN settings for Android and iPhone. First of all, let's set up the APN settings for Android step by step. Open Settings. Go to SIM cards and mobile network. Select your SIM card to set APN. Tap on access point name. Add a new APN if needed. Set the name and APN field. Only fill in the name and APN field as shown in the video. Keep the other options unchanged. Tap More and tap Save. Select the new APN from the list, and restart your phone. Let's set up the Internet settings for iPhone. Follow the process shown in the video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, press the bell icon and subscribe our channel.